Good day, math learners. In this topic, I'll discuss about systems of linear equations in real-life situation. Now, in this lesson, we will use the concepts of solving systems of linear equations by graphing, substitution, and elimination in solving real-life problems. But this will be the continuation of the problems of real-life problems involving systems of linear equation. And that will be example number 3. The problem is Mr. Mendoza gives a final examination in mathematics with 100 possible points. There is a total of 44 questions in the test. How many of the multiple choice questions of the 5-point test, a complete proof questions, are there in a test? So we will make an equation to solve that problem. Solution. We let x be the number of 2-point multiple choice questions and y be the number of 5-point writing a complete proof questions. Please take note of that. 100 possible points will be the total for the final examination in mathematics. 44 questions will be the total question in the test. Number of 2-point items we let as x, as what is said in the solution. Number of 5-point items, which is our y, we let that one as y. And the total items, or the total question items, and that is 44. So we can form already one equation. Points for multiple choice. We already know that the points of the multiple choice, the number of 2-point items, that's why 2x. Points for writing a proof, which is number of 5-point items, that's why 5y. And the total items is 100. So we already formed two equations. Write the system. X plus y is equal to 4. 2x plus 5y is equal to 100. Now we can already solve the problem because we already have two equations. Using the graphing method to solve the system, we use the intercepts method to graph each equation. To graph each equation by intercepts method, we let the value of x and y will be equal to 0. First, let x is equal to 0. The given problem x plus y is equal to 44. And our x is 0, so substitute the value of x. 0 plus y is equal to 44. Then simplify. Our value of y is equal to 44. Therefore, our y-intercept is 0, 44. Next, let y is equal to 0. The given x plus y is equal to 44. Substitute the value of y, and that is 0. X plus 0 is equal to 44. Now we need to simplify. X plus 0 is equal to 44, and that is equal to x is equal to 44. Therefore, our x-intercept is quantity 44, 0. Now we go to the second equation, which is 2x plus 5y is equal to 100. First step, let x is equal to 0. The given equation, or the given equation number 2 is 2x plus 5y is equal to 100. Substitute the value of x. So 2 times 0 plus 5y is equal to 100. We already know that 2 times 0 is 0, that's why cancel out. Remaining is 5y is equal to 100. 5y is equal to 100. We need to simplify. We divide all sides by 5. 5 divided by 5 and that is 1. 1 divided by 5 and that is 20. Y is equal to 20. The value of our y-intercept is 0, 20, or the coordinates of 0, 20. Let y is equal to 0. The given problem, 2x plus 5y is equal to 100. Substitute the value of y. That's why 2x plus 5 times 0 is equal to 100. We already know that 5 times 0 is 0, so cancel out. Remaining is 2x is equal to 100. We divide all sides by 2 so that x will remain. So simplify 2 divided by 2 and that is x. 100 divided by 2 and that is 50. Therefore, the value of our x is 50. Then the x-intercept is quantity 50, 0, or the coordinates of 50, 0. So we already have all the values of the coordinates of our intercepts from our equation 1 and also from our equation 2. Now, if you're already done with that one, now we need to graph the x and y intercepts from our given equations. Then, after that, we need to identify the intersection of the graphs. First thing to do is you need to draw a Cartesian plane. Then, plot the points of our equation 1 and equation 2. The value of the x-intercept of our equation 1 is found in this axis, and the y-intercept is found here. X and y-intercept is 44. Then you draw a line. This line is our equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 44. Then we need also to plot the points of our equation 2. The value of the x-intercept of our equation 2 is 50, and the y-intercept, which is 20. You plot those points. X-intercept 50, y-intercept 20. Then you draw a line. That line is our equation 2, and that is 2x plus 5y is equal to 100. As you can see in the graph, you can find an intersection point. That will be the intersection point of the two equations. Then we need to determine what will be the coordinates of that intersection point. Can you determine that? Yes. Look at the x-intercept of that intersection point. It is found in 40, in the axis of 40. And our y-intercept, something found between 5 and 0. Something found like 4, because yes, it is found here. And that is 40 and 4. Our x-intercept is 40 and the y-intercept is 4. That's why 40 and 4. We will use that intersection point or the coordinates of our intersection point to verify the equations. Then we need to verify if our solution by substituting it to the given equations. For our equation 1, which is x plus y is equal to 44. From our intersection point, which is the value of x is 40 and the value of y is 4. So we let the value of x, not let, I mean, we substitute the value of our x, which is 40, and the value of y, which is 4, from our intersection point. Then 40 plus 44, 40 plus 4 is equal to 44. And that is equal to 44 also. Therefore, 40 and 4 is true. Equation 2. 2x plus 5y is equal to 100. Remember, the value of our x is 40 and the value of our y is 4 from our intersection point. We will use that one. 2 times 40, which is the value of x, 5 plus 5 times 4, which is the value of y, and that is equal to 100. Then simplify. 2 times 40, and that is 80, plus 5 times 4, and that is 20, equal to 100. 80 plus 20 is equal to 100 is equal to 100. Therefore, it is true. Then there will be 40 multiple choice questions and 4 writing a complete proof questions in the examination. That will be the conclusion or the answer for our problem number 3. Don't forget to answer the given formative assessment. Thank you so much for listening.